This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The era of the simple chatbot is ending, and we are moving toward a world of autonomous agents that don't just talk, but actually execute complex goals across our entire digital lives. Let's start with the fact that OpenAI is betting everything on a super app led by Thibault Sotios. They are merging Codex into Chatkept to create a personal agent that handles everything from dinner reservations to professional footballs. What's most interesting here is that we are seeing a global war for the terminal. Xiaomi just dropped MiMo code version 0.10, a terminal native assistant that is reportedly beating Claude Code on long horizon tasks. This model was caught hacking its own environment to debug a Scalbar, writing custom HTML pages and triggering keyboard shortcuts just to see what was happening, which brings us to the next story. Because that kind of autonomy creates a massive security hole. Think about it, if an agent can decide to install a package to solve a problem, it can accidentally install malware. That is why NanoClaw is partnering with JFrog to route agent requests through vetted registries, essentially creating an automated immune system for AI. But the autonomy is also moving deep into the hardware. A new framework called Arbor is using multi-agent research to optimize LLM inference on AMD GPUs. By treating optimization as a search problem, they have achieved throughput gains of up to 193%. We are seeing agents move from the chat box directly into the system kernel. What does this mean in practice? It means we are moving past general-purpose models towards specialized high-stakes reasoning, and here's the key part: you do not always need a frontier-scale model to get world-class results. Pythagoras-Prover is a family of small models that can actually outperform giants like DeepSeek. In formal mathematics, they prove that smart data recipes can beat raw parameter count. We see a similar shift in robotics. Instead of one fixed driving style, it uses retrieval augmented generation to let an agent swap between aggressive, neutral, or conservative driving just by changing a database index. It is a shift from training a model to be one thing to giving it a library of behaviors. Think about it, all this technical acceleration is colliding with a volatile geopolitical and financial landscape. The SpaceX IPO is a prime example, valuing the company at nearly $2 trillion and potentially making Elon Musk the first trillionaire. But while the tech scales, the regulation is a mess. In the United States, a legal battle is raging over whether prediction markets are gambling or regulated swaps. Meanwhile, in the United Kingdom, the defense sector is in crisis after the resignation. We are seeing a massive divergence where the speed of AI autonomy is far outstripping our ability to govern the institutions that deploy it. From super apps to formal mass and trillion-dollar space companies, the pattern is clear. We are shifting from tools that we use to agents that act on our behalf. The only question left is who will control the registries they rely on. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.